Hey guys, let's see how to add an app to Face ID on iPhone. Let's say, for example, you have any app that you want to add the Face ID, okay? Here in the settings, you just can come down and look for Face ID and passcode. And here, you just enter your passcode. Then you're gonna see here the apps that are using the Face ID, okay? Face ID is enabled here, and then you just come here and you see the apps available, but there is no option here to just insert a new app. If you just need to insert a new one, just come to the main screen and look for the app that you want. Let's say, for example, this locally. Then I just click and hold, and you're gonna see this option to require Face ID. Just tap on it, select require Face ID, and you're good to go. You see here the check mark. And now the next time they're going to use the app, you see that requires the Face ID. It got my Face ID already. Let me just block my face here and show you again. You see that's requiring Face ID. Then I just show my face now. Try again and it's done. So it's basically working with the Face ID, right? So super simple. Basically that's the way you can add an app to the Face ID on iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.